This is CBC Manenos. They have beans in containers. We Foundation. Yeah, WE. Yeah, it's We Foundation is it's I don't know, they help build classrooms, especially in school. Yeah, and it's from Canada. And you know who is inside? Do I tell you? From US. You want to know? Yeah. And who? What's her name? There's this girl called mwenye ashaye kuja mpaka Kisaruni. They came to Kisaruni High School. No, Selena came by herself and the other girl, I'm forgetting her name. If I remember, I'll mention her name. Anyway, talking about we. Let we be we. We are talking, yeah, we have CDF. CDF and Ramas for classrooms. You can't even carry.
Yeah, and these are for the grade 4.
For small kids.
Anyway, they will not be playing with this in classroom. They just have to settle and sit for class. They are quite nice and comfortable. At least it's fit for even up to grade 9 because it's comfortable. If I can fit in properly like this, it means it's so comfortable.
Okay.
Very comfortable.
Yes.
Come this way and see exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, see? I'm very comfortable in it. So grade whatever 3 and I guess 4 is comfortable for them. It's good actually, but it's so heavy. They can't move it by it's really heavy. Anyway, they are good.
Because I wanted to show you where the examination will be conducted. So this is where grade 6 will be. That's why the desks are like wide apart like that. And the total number of grade 6 will be doing the exams are 52. So they have 3 classrooms. Some will be in that class, standard 6, 20 of them. Others here at standard 7, 20 of them as well. The chairs are set, the desks are set like this. And others will be here in standard 8. Yeah. They have a whiteboard. The school is in progress, really good progress, changing. So that's grade 6 will be there. So we go to grade 9. Grade 9, this is where the examination will be done. It begins here in this building, grade 2. This is where the candidates will be. I don't know why the desks are moved and disorganized, but according to some teachers, yesterday the chairs were put in order. Yeah, it's just been moved. 3 classrooms as well because the students are about 50 as well, more than 50. And the next classroom is this one. For grade 9. Is also where the exams will be conducted for grade 9. And the next building here. This beautiful building is also a grade 9 exam center. Wow, beautiful